Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set Perplexity AI as a default voice assistant on mobile. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is to make sure you got Perplexity AI downloaded and installed on your mobile device. You can do so by going to your Play or App Store. Now once you've done that, log into your Perplexity AI account, or you can sign up using your Google account. Now once we're inside of there, we're going to come to a page that looks similar to this. So we need to click onto our user profile in the top left hand corner of the page. Then from here we want to go in and click on the gear icon. Now inside of settings, we need to scroll all the way near the bottom of the page here, and under assistant we need to go in and click on enable assistant. Now on this page here, we need to click into where it says digital assistant app. So just simply click onto that. Now below where it says mine's currently set at Google, it might be ChatGPT, etc. You need to go in and click onto Perplexity and then go back. And now it should say digital assistant app is now Perplexity. And now once you've done that, you've successfully set your Perplexity AI as default voice assistant on mobile.